This is Erica. She's the older one. And this is Rika. She's the youngest. They are identical twins, and today is their special birthday. Wait a second. It seems like someone wants to greet the two of you.
Gajay? Gajay? Diyan ka ba? Hindi nakakatawa ah.
Yo! Joke lang. Ayun o, bati tayo.
Pabati lang
Bati
pala.
tayo, bati
Ay, sorry.
Okay?
Happy birthday Ate Rika and Ate Erica.
Yun ako naman.
Pangit yun.
Happy birthday, Rika, and happy birthday, Erica.
Laki-laki ng
Go, do the dance. Do the dance. Eh.
I would like to greet you the happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry, I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. What's it, friends, huh? What do you want? I will give you this, and everything. This is I'm so rich.
Hi, Erica and Rika! Happy birthday sa inyo. Grabe, hindi ako makapaniwalang 18 years old na kayo. Kasi parang nasa school lang tayo kahapon. Di ba, nagchichika lang tayo about calculus with Anna. Tapos, ayun, minsan in general about life, di ba? And, ayun, and unang-una sa lahat, ang message ko para sa inyo is, ayun, gusto ko muna mag-thank you. Ang message tuloy. Pero ayun, gusto ko mag-thank you sa inyo kasi nakalala ko kayo and you guys are one of my first friends dito sa, dun sa main school natin before. And ayun, I'm really grateful na nakalala ko kasi kayo kasi sorry sa mga speech typo, pero ayun nga. I'm really thankful nga kasi ang dami kong nakalap na knowledge sa inyo. And ang dami kong nalaman and I had so much fun with you both. Kaya ayun, I love you guys. You guys are really important sa buhay ko. I never would have thought na magiging friends ko kayo. So, ayun, I'm really grateful for that. And for my second message naman, since you guys are entering this adulting stage, syempre hindi magiging madali. Hindi magiging madali. Syempre may mga challenges kayong ma-encounter. Pero I want you guys to know that you have what it takes. Kaya keep going lang, grab risks, grab opportunities. Kasi syempre, don't know, baka magustuhan mo pala yung isang bagay. So, go lang, grab lang kayo ng grab. And yeah. And also, syempre, huwag niyo kalimutan na nandito kami sa inyo. Nandito kaming mga loved ones niyo for you guys to support you and everything that you do. And for my final message naman, syempre, enjoyin niyo yung teenage years niyo kasi, ayun, syempre, na kayo, di ba, 18 na kayo. Sooner or later, you're gonna be in your 20s, in your 30s. So, enjoyin nyo yun. Grab friends lang kayo, gumala. Gumala kayo ng gumala. And, ayun, enjoyin nyo lang bawat moment nyo. Kasi, yeah, it's fun being a teenager. And, syempre, you guys are in college na. So, go lang, make friends, and go out of your comfort zone lang. And, ayun yung message ko for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. And, syempre, for the days to come din. And, I wish you both good health, and syempre, a fulfilling and a happy life. Kaya, ayun, I love you guys so much. We love you guys so much. Happy birthday, Rika and Erica. I love you!
Hi guys. Sorry if hindi ako maayos tignan ngayon kasi nasa parking lot ako and naka-pajamas ako. Ah! Happy birthday guys! Oh my god, may Freaky Fridays. Happy birthday, Erica and Rika. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. My day ones. Alam mo, parang ang surreal if we look back na, you know, tayo-tayo pa din magkakasama. So compatible. Charot. Not charot. Ayun, adulting is hard. Pero I hope na hindi yun maging hadlang. That mag-grow apart tayo, ganun. Sana, ayun, di man perfect yung road ng adulting. Sana, we're stronger than that. Ayun. I'm always here para sa'yo, para sa inyo, para sa'yo, Erica, Rika. Ayun, mahal na mahal ko kayo, miss ko na kaya. Tandaan nyo lagi, dito kami ni Bea, ng mga pinsan mo, you know. Baka kasi isipin nyo, alone lang kayo, kasi minsan really fucks up with you, na you feel like you're alone, you're so isolated. That's not true, guys. Dito ako, ha. Especially, you know, pag Friday. Ayun, guys, mahal na mahal ko kayo. I would never trade you guys for anything. You're like my sisters. Kasi triplets tayo, guys. Ay, quadruplets pala kasi. Si Bea yung pang fourth. Ayun, I love you guys. Miss ko na kayo. I will do every effort, everything I can para sa inyo, guys. Yun na. Ang OA, pero that's facts. You know, I will do everything para kakasama pa din tayo at the end till, you know, may mga anak na kayo, if ever, just saying. I can say talaga na I'm your ride or die guys, sa inyong dalawa. I equally love you both. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. I know mahal niyo din ako, of course. Ayan. Please have a happy birthday. Normal lang magka-birthday blues, pero, you know, to feel less alone, dito kami, nila Bea, and your friends, your loved ones. Wishing you a happy birthday. Miss ko na kayo. I love you.
What's up, guys? Yun ang sabi ko lang. Hi guys! Happy 18th birthday sa mga ropa kong magkamukha. Dahil dalawa kayong magkaibigan. Happy 18th birthday sa dalawa kong ropang magkamukha. Dahil dalawa kayo, magkaiba message ko. Para kay Erica, ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, pre, is Happy birthday! Balita ko, boy, kamukha mo daw si Rika. Gara, no? Same ka-birthday mo daw si Rika. Gara, no? Same birthday pa kayo, no? Tapos magkamukha pa. Anyway, wishing you all the best, boy. May you achieve all your dreams and never settle for less than what you deserve, because you deserve love, happiness, and self-respect. So, always take care of yourself, okay? Kaya mo yan, ikaw pa. Good luck sa college life, my macho buddy. Kini ka naman, man. Ang masabi ko sa'yo, boy, is happy birthday! Paras pala ka birthday ni Erica, no? Buti lang hindi kayo magkamukha. I wish you succeed in life in you choose, be. And never regret doing what you love to do, because it, love to do it. Yeah. Take care of yourself, be. And lagi mong isipin na kamukha ko si Dwight Ramos. Hello! Happy birthday! Wishing you good health and,
Wait lang. Ay, na yun.
hello! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday! Wish you all the best and two more birthdays to come and good health, yeah. From your kuya.
And ate.
Sino sila? Bye. Happy Happy birthday!
Hi, Bossing Rika and Boss Erica. Maikling video greet lang from me. Happy 18th birthday sa inyong dalawa. Wala naman siguro masyadong masasabi. Keep chasing sa dreams nyo and magtiwala lang kayo sa sarili nyo. Wishing you guys a good health, happiness, and successful in everything you do. Enjoy niyo yung 18th birthday niyo and good luck sa college life and sa path na tatahakin niyo. More birthdays to come and yun lang. Happy birthday ulit sa inyong dalawa mga boss.
Hi! So, I just want to greet the twins, Erica and Rika, a happy birthday. You know, it's been a while since we last saw each other. I think mga around February pa ata or March. Ay, hindi. Ano pala, after pala ng exams, hindi nyo na ako nakita. Kasi alam nyo naman, yung nangyari sa akin. But, I'm not gonna dig deeper than that. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well and enjoying your life kasi in a few weeks magka-college na tayo and magiging stressful na ulit tayo sa academics natin and you know, stress andyan na yan, but alam ko naman na kaya niyo yan and you know, you'll help each other out and look for each other kasi magkapatid kayo, yun dapat yung gagawin nyo. Anyway, hindi ko napapahabain yung message ko. I'm wishing you guys success, good vibes, and I hope na we get to catch up soon kasi you know, it's been a while na rin since yun nga, hindi na tayo nakakapagkita, hindi na tayo nakakagala kasi busy na rin tayo sa personal life natin. But, kapag may free time tayo or ang tiyempoan natin, pwede tayo mag-set ng gala. You know? Anyways, I miss you guys and I hope you guys enjoy your day and yeah. Again, happy birthday, Erica and Rika. Love you guys.
Ayan, so hello to the Pahilanga twins of STEMB with another real beauty. First of all, happy 18th birthday sa inyong dalawa. Ngayon nag-graduate na kayo sa pagiging minor. Welcome to the first stage of adulthood. I wish for you to have a successful life, na matupad lahat ng dreams nyo, lahat ng goals nyo, and sana matupad lahat ng wishes nyo. And I hope for you to continue having a good heart kahit anong pang challenges yung dumating sa buhay niyo. Always remember to live your life to the fullest and enjoy yung pagiging 18 nyo. Hindi lang yung pagiging 18 but lahat pa ng mga birthdays na darating sa inyo. Always remember that we are always here for you and that we love you very, very much. Ayan lang.
Ayan. Happy birthday Pahilanga sisters. Ayan, happy birthday sa aking mga kambal, no? First and foremost, gusto ko kayo guys pasalamatan, no? Thank you for always being kind to me, for being sweet to me, or even for being gentle to me, no? Kaya sa inyo ako kasi whenever I'm with either one of you, happy lang tayo. Kamustahan, bonding, biroan, and everything and all of that. And for me, I think that is sisterhood. And thank you guys for making me experience such an experience. No? To Rika, my ML buddy, thank you for being such a benevolent person. No? Thank you for always making me feel seen, making me feel valid. No? I can see naman yon through your gestures, sa mga pagyakap mo sa akin, mga kamusta. And I just wanna let you know na I really, really appreciate it. And I had always admired it and placed it in my heart, yung mga sweet little interactions or moments natin na yon. Kaya, mwah! To Erica, my seatmate buddy, I just wanna let you know na I had always admired your compassion towards other people. Thank you kasi you're always there, always ready to listen sa mga suggestions ko, sa mga groupings natin, sa research, no? Ikaw yung tipong nakaibigan na talagang all ears sa suggestions ng iba, open ka, kapag may gusto kang sabihin, nilalatag mo sila, of course, on a nice way. And I think that is actually such a warm approach na anyone can has, and not everyone can ano daw? Basta hindi lahat ng tao kaya ganon yung atake, yung kagaya ng approach mo, no? Kaya thank you for that. Another thing is that thank you kasi sa mga ano natin, sa mga biro-biroan natin, yan. Thank you Don. Thank you kasi I really appreciate din yun. Kaya I love you. Ayun, so I hope, ayun wala, I hope na in the future, no, yung kung ano man maging actions nyo, kung ano man maging decision nyo sa buhay, I hope na it is fueled by happiness and contentment or fulfillment, no? Sana maging masaya kayo sa buhay, ayun lang yung talagang goal natin. Ayun, so happy birthday ulit guys, happy birthday Pahilanga sisters, thank you for existing. Kahit hindi man tayo nagkikita or ano na, talagang distance na tayo, I hope na it won't make us strangers. I hope na yung close connections natin nung senior high tayo, kung makikita ulit tayo, I hope na ma-maintain natin yun. Kasi guys, sobrang special ko yun sa akin. So, happy birthday guys! Mama!
Hello! Happy 18th birthday, Erica and Mika. Hindi ko na masyadong papahabain yung message ko na to. Ang tanging masabi ko lang ay naway maging masaya ang inyong kaarawan at maging matagumpay kayo sa hinaharap. Yun lang. I wish you all the best and good luck sa college life. Bye-bye!
Rika, Erica, happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. I hope you two have a wonderful day and you guys celebrate it to the most. You two deserve today to celebrate your wonderful day of birth.
As two best friend of the two Pahilanga sisters, Erica and Mika, I just want to say happy birthday to both of you. Rika, to my number one mother figure in my senior high school days, and Erica, one of my close friends in senior high school. I just want to say again a happy birthday. And more birthdays to come, and just to come, and good luck sa college life natin. I hope na hindi na kahit magkahiwa-hiwalay tayo, even if you both are in NU tapos ako, even if we're in separate colleges, I hope that our bonds, not only our bonds with me and you two, but also with your other friends' bonds. I hope na we still nourish our bonds with our friends, especially with our best friends. And in tough times, don't always forget to keep us. Basta wag ka man yan lumapit sa amin, sa mga relatives mo or your friends, if you want to vent out feelings, or if you're having a bad day, because and most of all, thank you for being a good friend of mine. Thank you for being a good friend of mine. And without you guys, my senior high school will not be complete as ever. because without this Paila, without these two celebrants, hindi sila ko kumpleto sa senior high school memories ko. And so, as I conclude this message, batingin ko ulit na happy birthday. And, ayun, more birthdays to come, more wishes to come, and more memories to come, and more memories to come. Kind of awkward message.
Hello, Erica and Rika Pahilanga. Gusto ko lang sabihin na maligayang kaarawan sa inyong dalawa. And happy 18th birthday. At pwede na kayo makulong dalawa. Ako nang bahala mag-report sa mga polis. By the way, happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Enjoy niyo yung araw na ito. Minsan lang ito mangyari ha. Once in a lifetime lang. Isang beses lang siya sa isang taon. Kaya enjoy this day. It's your day. At araw niyo tong dalawa. Hindi lang pala isa, kundi dalawa kayo. And yun nga, ang wish ko lang sa inyo is magkaroon kayo ng magandang kalusugan and good luck sa college, and laging pasalamatan yung Diyos sa mga blessings na ibinibigay niya sa inyo lagi and in your family. And yun lang, maging maging totoo lang kayo sa inyong sarili, and sana maabot nyo lahat ng inyong pangarap. And muli, happy birthday Erica and Rika. Sana enjoy nyo yung araw na ito and enjoy your day. Handa pa ulit and puro end. By the way, happy birthday sa inyong dalawa.
Hi, my dear Erica. Happy birthday to you. Ang wish ko lang is sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo, and also good health to you and to your family. I hope you will always be surrounded by love and happiness. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Happy birthday daw.
Happy birthday, Ate Kambal. Ingat kayo palagi. Hope stay healthy. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Kambal. Good luck sa journeys and thank you to the both of you for being a good cousin. Sa amin yun lang, happy 18th birthday.
Hello, Ate Kambal. Happy 18th birthday. I can't believe you're already 18. Even though we don't see each other often, please know you're always special to me, and distance will never change our bond as cousins. On your special day, I pray that you both stay healthy, happy, safe, and blessed. May all your dreams come true, and may you continue to grow into the amazing people you're meant to be. I'm always proud of you, and I always be cheering you on from afar. Whenever things get tough, remember that I believe in both of you. Thank you for the memories and for being such wonderful cousins. I'm grateful for you both. We miss you so much and wish we could celebrate with you in person. If we could, we give you both a big hug right now. Again, happy birthday. May this year bring you happiness, success, love, and great memories. We love you both so much. Mwah! Bye-bye.
Now, it's your turn next to give your greetings to our debutante.